Hey there and welcome. I am so glad you're here. Today, we're going to tackle the world of online dating, and we're zeroing in on a site that so many of our readers just love, eHarmony.
Let's just start with this thought right here. It is the absolute perfect mindset for getting started on this journey. It's just a great reminder that finding love, finding companionship, it can happen at any stage of life. So, are you feeling a little stuck, maybe a bit apprehensive about putting yourself out there again? Well, I really want you to hear this. You are not alone. That is such a normal feeling, especially if you're getting back in the game after some time away.
Trust me, we have so been there. My partner and I actually met online after we were both 60, so we get it. We know the challenges, we know the rejections, all of it. But you know what? We also know the incredible joy that's on the other side, and that's exactly what we want to help you find. Okay, so what's the key? It really all starts with a great profile. I mean, think about it. It's how you present your best self, right? So today, we're going to walk through just seven essential tips to make your eHarmony profile absolutely shine. All right, let's jump right in. We're talking about crafting that all-important first impression, because, you only get one shot at it. And when it comes to a dating app, your photo and your description, well, that's the 1-2 punch that's going to grab somebody's attention. Okay, let's talk photos. I want you to think of your main photo as your digital handshake. It's got to be warm, it's got to be inviting. So that means it needs to be recent, high quality, and please, a genuine smile. Some common traps to avoid. Oh boy, definitely no high school photos. We all look great back then, but it's not today. And avoid those blurry, confusing pictures. Another big one is group shots. Don't make people play Where's Waldo to find you. Just a clear, solo shot is the way to go. Now, this is where you get to show off your personality. Your description is your chance to go beyond the picture. The goal is to sound like, well, you. So use a conversational tone. And please, please avoid the cliches. We all know the one about long walks on the beach. Instead, get specific. Tell a little story. Instead of saying you like to travel, maybe say something like, that trip to the Mediterranean, I can still taste the amazing pasta I had. See the difference? And hey, if you get stuck, remember, our free AI profile writer can be a huge help. Okay, so we've got the first impression down. Now let's dig a little deeper. This next part is all about showcasing the real you. Because let's be honest, a great profile is so much more than a pretty picture. It's about finding someone who really gets you. Okay, here's a little insider secret about eHarmony. Their whole system, the whole shebang, is built around this really smart compatibility algorithm. So what does that mean for you? It means the more specific and upfront you are about your core values, the better that algorithm can do its job. Don't be shy here. Being clear is seriously the fastest way for eHarmony to find you amazing matches. And this really gets to the heart of it. Honesty is just everything. Being authentic from the get-go is so, so important. It just leads to better matches and, frankly, a much more enjoyable experience. When you're real, you attract people who want the real you. It's a huge time saver and the only way to build a genuine connection. So, how do you do that? The key is to show, not just tell. Don't just list your hobbies, bring them to life. Instead of just writing, I like hiking, maybe share a tiny story about your favorite trail. Instead of, I like to cook, tell them about that signature lasagna you make. You want to paint a picture so they can imagine themselves doing those things right alongside you. All right, so you've got this killer profile, it's looking great, and you've caught someone's eye. So now what? This is where we talk about making a real connection. Let's get into your communication strategy. First rule of messaging, please avoid the generic hey. It just gets lost in the noise. Instead, show them you actually read their profile. Reference something specific you saw. Then ask an open-ended question, something that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. And hey, don't forget eHarmony gives you tools to work with. A smile or an icebreaker can be a great low-pressure way to start. Okay, we're on to our final key, and this one might be the most important. It's all about your mindset and having some patience. Honestly, your attitude on this journey is just as crucial as what you write in your profile. It really makes all the difference. So let's establish a golden rule right now. Your profile is a strict no negativity zone. Seriously, no complaining about exes, your job, anything like that. Think of it as your personal billboard. You want it to be positive and inviting. Positivity is just incredibly attractive. And that leads us right to patience. You have to remember that dating is a process. It's a journey. Not every single match is going to be the one. And you know what?
that is totally okay. The right person takes time to find, so try to embrace the experience of just meeting new people along the way.
I love this quote. A mentor once told me this, and it applies perfectly to dating. Every no is one step closer to a yes. So try not to get discouraged. Every person who isn't the right fit is just one more step on the path to finding the person who is.
Wow, we have covered a lot, haven't we? So let's pull it all together. We're going to do a quick recap of the key takeaways to get you ready for that next great date.
And here it is, your 7-point checklist for success. Think of this as your game plan. Choose that great photo, write a compelling description, highlight your values, be honest, showcase your passions, communicate well, and stay positive. Keep these 7 things in mind, and you'll be creating a profile that truly represents the wonderful person you are.
So the big question is, who will you meet when you show the world the absolute best version of you? With these tools, you're more than ready to find out. Good luck out there and happy dating.
Do us a favor and please like the video and subscribe to our channel. For more information on eHarmony or to sign up, please see the links in the description. There are also some great smart dating resources you can use for free.